review this insecticide issue?
Niagara Beeway has been involved in gathering honeybee data for the last 8 years. Clearly our data indicates an insecticide problem, and this requires further research and action here in Niagara. Our objective is to position the Niagara region in a protective and precautionary position in regard to the largest volume insecticide used in Niagara. This insecticide is based on neonicotinoid chemistry.
What action should we be taking?
To ban the urban, cosmetic, ornamental, pet use of neonicotinoid chemicals in Niagara. Our biggest concern is neonicotinoids have a devastating impact on non-targeted organisms. Those non-targeted organisms include honeybees, and now with the relationship between autism and these pesticides, our concerns about our children. Studies indicate a clear relationship of systemic pesticides and autism. Neonicotinoids are systemic pesticides. Real increased numbers of autistic children show the cause is not genetic but environmental. The basic structure of the human nervous system is similar to that of an insect. Clearly, neonicotinoids are lethal to birds. Like PCBs devastated the eagle and bird populations, neonicotinoids are clearly positioned to repeat the destruction of our bird populations. The most respected bird science experts have confirmed that neonicotinoids are lethal to birds at very small doses. Environment Canada have done extensive testing on this chemical. According to Environment Canada, bees access groundwater contaminated with neonicotinoids. A bee or bumblebee drinking that water would die within a day. There is clear evidence of serious environmental risk. Surface water contamination has already decimated non-targeted species. Experts like Dr. Vandersloot study this data and state this substance should be phased out internationally as soon as possible. In Europe, where this product is banned, over 20,000 tons a year are used to combat fleas and pests in cattle, dogs, and cats. These are the urban applications that we are looking to ban. This ban is not related to farm usage of neonicotinoids. Niagara Beeway experiences and data confirm the Environment Canada and the Dutch studies. The safe decomposition of this pesticide has never been tested in Niagara and is inappropriate for Niagara. Niagara is the largest user of these insecticides. Industry acknowledges potential harm, stating we should have strong stewardship of insecticide to minimize any contamination of water. Yes, we should, and yes, we do. Niagara has no strong stewardship program. There is no testing, no restrictions, and no monitoring in Niagara for these chemicals.
What do you recommend?
We recommend that the NPCA establish a water monitoring program to quantify the magnitude of this contamination. Several areas in Canada and the US have already quantified the levels of contamination, and the results are staggering. More than 50% of the waterways tested in Manitoba, Quebec, and California tested positive with unacceptable levels of neonicotinoid contamination. Our concern is also related to the many other toxic chemicals in our environment combining with neonicotinoids to produce other or third chemicals. These chemicals are clearly not monitored or understood.